You've probably already seen these, but this is a sticker extravaganza because I'm trying to decorate some of the 2022 planners, and I only use Bloom Daily Planner stickers. As you know, I tried ordering those other stickers if you saw the video from the other week, but I just don't like them as much. I only like Bloom stickers. I can't help it. They have the best ones. All right, so let's check out what I got. I actually wanted the monthly planner as well. So this is a little different. Their other monthly planner was kind of big, like the Erin Condren one, and it was just a little too bulky for me. So this one is so big. It's not bulky though. It like looks big. So it's big because I need a lot of space to write in because I write big letters, but it's not bulky where it has like a big coil and then some extra pages. So this is like perfect. Plus it lays flat. Look at that. Hello, beautiful, important dates. We have 2022 at a glance with some space for me to write, I don't know, wishful thinking, which I always say wishful thinking only because I have like all these books I want to write, but the year comes and goes and I just didn't do it. Plan to bloom in 2022. Every day in every way, I'm getting better and better. Emily, I don't even know how to say that. 5 goals for this year, things to look forward to, new things I would like to try, books I would like to read. As you know, I read 300 books this year, so this is just not enough space for that, but probably maybe like a couple books I could mention. Places to visit. This probably won't happen because of COVID. I'm not even sure if travel is going to really still be a thing this year. Things to improve upon, or next year I say, things to be grateful for, this year's visions. And because, as you know, I did another unboxing where I unboxed the little instant photo printer. So now I could, in theory, if I wanted, I could just print out stuff and put it here. Because every time I see these, I'm like, I don't know how to draw. I don't know what to do with this, but now I do know what to do with this because I have an instant printer. Purpose, and these are stickers, so they will just stick right on as soon as I peel the back off. All right, purpose. My purpose, the year of, more of, less of, my joy list. I love myself because monthly tasks, use this page to keep you on your game all year round. Okay, so maybe like you balance your checkbook. I don't even know if that's even a thing now with online banking, but monthly spending summary. Oh, they do this a lot where you need to turn things around, but that's okay because it lays flat. Bill, days of month, bill is due, auto pay, yes or no. They're like, we don't care that this looks like a vertical. We're just gonna make it a horizontal. That's going to be that. All right. So now we have January at a glance. So we have the month before, the month after. We have some space for notes. And again, I always say like I like it when the notes are on the left side because it's hard for me to write at the edge of the paper. But because this is pretty much flat and very thin, it doesn't even matter where the notes are. And it looks like they have little cute suggestions. You can change your circumstances by changing your attitude. Don't wait until you're confident to show up. Show up until you're confident. I like these. Like they always have positive, like really strong girl power statements on everything. So they have all the major holidays inside of here. So I like that. And I do like this neutral color. Usually I like everything super colorful. However, I have all of these super colorful stickers that we'll go through in a minute that I could use to decorate this with, and because there are no other colors to compete with, it looks perfect. All right, so now we get to December and we have just one page for notes and then we're done. How I bloomed in 2022, year-end sort of recap, and that's the end. So I love, love, love this. It is my new favorite planner. I'm just gonna go ahead and say it because I usually use the smaller, do I even have it so I can show you? I usually use the smaller one, I don't have it with me, from Sugar Paper, which I do love as well. But this one just gives me way more space to write in, which I like having space. All right, so let's look at these stickers. What stickers did I get? That's not the question you should ask. You should say, what stickers did I not get? So we got the classic, we got the female empowerment, we have the fitness and healthy living, we have the holiday planners, we have the productivity pack, we have a little card. I hope you feel beautiful today. That's cute. Productivity stickers, we have monthly celebrations, and then we have just a nice postcard from them. All right, my favorites out of all these, in case you're wondering, if you're going to decorate a dated planner, you 100% need both of these. So these holiday planner stickers, if I could, I'm going to go back and probably order 5 more of these. I know you're like, what is going on, Lisa? Here's what happens. As soon as I make a date in a planner that I can't make, and then it's like a fail, I actually just, like, the whole planner is kind of ruined, right? So then I just use one of my other planners and then decorate that. So I like having multiples of the holiday planner stickers. The monthly celebration packs, these are pretty small. So I thought I do like these. I don't love them as much as the originals, which, you know, sometimes like newer isn't always better. And again, it's not bad. It's just that these are probably meant for a smaller planner. And as you just saw, I like big planners. That is my thing, big planners. So each month gets its own day of stickers. So you have January, February, I'll go through alpha, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You get this thing. I never use these. And then you just get some extra random stickers. Now, these other ones that are my favorite that are for dated planners, well, any of them can be for dated planners, but these kind of help just coordinate for you with the months as they go along. These are bigger stickers and there are less of them for the month. However, I like them better. So we have January, February, March, April, we have May, June, we have July, August, September, October, and November, December. So those are our kind of monthly stickers. And then let's check out, what else I got? Fitness and healthy living. Little reminders to either work out or just give myself like a gold star when I do work out. So we have, I love these. They're nice and big. These, I didn't really use these so much just because they're just so small. So it was kind of hard. And also, so I strength train 6 days a week. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I do cardio once. So it's hard because I really need like 1,000 sheets of these. So then it feels like inconsistent if I don't use this. This is nice. These are to write on, but again, because I write so big, I can't use them. Not because they're not pretty, but this is more of a mat, if you can see that, so you can write on it. Love these. These are cute. Again, meal prep. I actually don't do meal prep because I don't have to go anywhere. You can write on these to an office, so I don't need to do meal prep. And yeah, so there's that. And grocery shopping. I wish I was organized enough to like plan out grocery shopping days, but I don't. They just kind of happen when there's time. Ooh, I love these stickers. So these are the female empowerment stickers. And I don't know that they're like, there's like a particular subject. They're just fun. They're like, go you girl kind of things. Let's just go through all of them. They're just like happy, fun, pretty stickers, which is pretty much the only reason I always get the Bloom Planner stickers. Excuse me. We have the classic stickers. I know, who buys this many stickers? I bought this many, and it really wasn't enough. You heard me. I was like, I already have plans to buy more stickers from Bloom. And we have, what did I say? Oh, classic. These are classics. These are cute. I never use these. I'm just going to set aside the ones I don't use. I'll let my friend Camilla know if she wants them. These are cute. These are cute. These are cute. Oh, these kind of look like a repeat of those grocery ones. And these you can write on, but let's be real, I never end up writing on them. So we're going to set them to the side. We'll see if my friend wants them. And then we have productivity stickers. And these are just here to make you feel, because they say productivity, like you're being more efficient, you're getting more done, you are faster than you have ever been before when it comes to doing whatever in your day. So let's check these out. So weekend vibes, again, just really cute stickers. I will never use these, so I'm going to set that to the side. This one too, I'll be honest, because I've been using these stickers for so long now, I know which sheets I don't use. This one, I sometimes use that, and I sometimes use that. And last one, productivity sticker pack. Wait, is this the same thing? Did I get 2 of those? Productivity sticker. Oh, I got 2 productivity sticker packs. All right, so we've already seen these, although they look different. I don't even know what's going on, right? Do they look different? They kind of look different. Or maybe I just have really short-term memory. They're clearly the same stickers, I think. Now I have to check. All right, So we have the clean, the clean. Oh yeah, they're the same. Maybe they were just packed in a different order. So again, I will save these. And these, I don't know. I might use that alpaca. See, I just won't use those little dots. Plus the little dots are really hard to like put in the right place. And these I won't use. So that's a wrap. And remember, if you would like to create your own planner stickers, I have some free lessons inside of on my YouTube channel and also inside Planner Academy. I have all of the materials in Planner Academy on which sticker sheets to order, what cutters to use, what programs to create these in. But I can't actually create them because I cannot draw. As you may or may not know, I say this all the time. I wish I could draw. I would love to teach everyone how to illustrate, but that's just not my thing. So I did a lot of talking. All right, so I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.